Hey, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about that little spice in your kitchen that not only enhances the flavor of your dishes but also packs a punch of health benefits? Yes, I'm talking about cardamom, often hailed as the queen of spices. Today, I'm going to uncover why cardamom should be your new go-to superfood. Let's dive right in. Cardamom is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are crucial in protecting your cells from damage and in fighting off pathogens. First up, digestion. Cardamom is fantastic for your digestive system. It helps in regulating your bowel movements and can significantly reduce bloating and other intestinal issues. Just imagine, a small pinch of cardamom in your tea or dessert could keep those stomach troubles at bay. Moving on to oral health. Ever wondered why cardamom is a key ingredient in some chewing gums? Its strong aroma and antibacterial properties help fight bad breath and prevent cavities. So it's not just making your food taste better, it's also keeping your smile healthy. And there's more. Cardamom is a natural anti-inflammatory. This means it can help reduce pain and swelling. Whether it's a sore throat or muscle pain, adding cardamom to your diet can give you a natural soothing effect without the need for medications. But wait, are you concerned about high blood pressure? Cardamom to the rescue again. Studies have shown that certain compounds in cardamom can help lower blood pressure, making it a heart-friendly spice. Now, how can you incorporate more cardamom into your diet? It's super easy. Add it to your morning coffee or tea, sprinkle it on your oatmeal, or even blend it into your smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Before I wrap up, remember, while cardamom is beneficial, moderation is key. Make sure not to overdo it, as too much of anything is not good. And there you have it, some compelling reasons to start using more cardamom in your daily life. It's small but mighty, and your body will thank you for the extra boost of health. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how everyday ingredients can elevate your health, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Altruist. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep healthy and keep experimenting in your kitchen.